Ready to hit the road in Germany? Introducing the ultimate German driving license online course. Your comprehensive guide to mastering the theory exam and obtaining your German driving license on the very first attempt. Comprising 14 meticulously structured lessons, our course covers every key aspect of the German driving license theory exam. From understanding legal conditions to mastering traffic signs, and from eco friendly driving to navigating special traffic situations, we've got you covered. Exam focused content tailored to align with the format and requirements of the German driving license theory exam. Each lesson is crafted to cover essential topics, supplemented with sample questions, quizzes, and much more. Your success is my priority. Visit drivewithranjit.com and enroll now to start your journey.